The low washer fluid light is one of the most common dashboard warnings drivers encounter. Understanding what it means and how to reset it properly is essential for maintaining clear visibility while driving. This warning light indicates that the fluid level in your windshield washer reservoir has dropped below the minimum safe operating level. The icon typically shows a windshield with a spray pattern. Modern vehicles manufactured after 2020 feature sophisticated monitoring systems with smart sensors. These systems use float switches or ultrasonic sensors to provide accurate fluid level readings and integrate with digital dashboard displays. It's important to understand the difference between warning light patterns. A solid light typically indicates low fluid levels, while a flashing light may signal a system malfunction or extremely low fluid requiring immediate attention. To reset the low washer fluid light, start by locating the washer fluid reservoir in your engine bay. It's typically positioned near the windshield and marked with a distinctive windshield symbol on the cap. Remove the cap and fill the reservoir with appropriate washer fluid to the maximum line. Never use plain water as it can damage sensors and pumps. Always use manufacturer-recommended washer fluid for optimal performance. After filling the reservoir, replace the cap securely and start your engine. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the system to recognize the new fluid level. The sensors need time to detect the change and communicate with the dashboard. Finally, test the washer system by activating the windshield washers. The warning light should extinguish within 1 to 2 minutes of driving. If the light persists after following these steps, there may be a system malfunction requiring professional diagnosis. When the basic reset doesn't work, try the manual reset procedure. This method forces the system to recognize the new fluid level through a specific sequence of steps. For persistent warning lights, use an OBD2 scanner to clear diagnostic codes. Common washer fluid codes include B1342 for low fluid level and U0155 for communication errors. Physical troubleshooting involves checking for leaks, verifying sensor connections, testing pump operation, and inspecting fuses. Let's examine the key components. Some vehicles may require software updates from the dealer to resolve persistent issues. To prevent future problems, always use manufacturer-approved washer fluids and avoid overfilling the reservoir.